Hi, I'm Sue Bryce, and I'd love to talk to you about the location lighting series with Felix Kunze. To me, Felix was the one that helped me fall in love with strobes, and it's because of the way he teaches. But Felix is not a portrait photographer in the sense that I am. He shoots more commercial work, he shoots more lighting work, and more location work. And so what he really brought to me was, as I followed him as a friend in the last 6 years, go all the way around the world and do these epic shoots on location. And this is really his wheelhouse. So this class is on sale for $199 this week. It got released this morning. It has its own URL as well, thelocationseries.com. This is the gorgeous, amazing Felix Kunze. Why did we choose Felix? Honestly, I hated strobe light. I mastered natural light, 20 years natural light photographer before I even started educating. I started educating and people said, she's not a real photographer. She doesn't shoot strobes. And I still didn't care. That criticism fell on deaf ears because I had mastered natural light and I honestly didn't need it to have a profitable and successful studio. But when I saw the way he teaches light and the way he shapes strobe light, the same way I shape sunlight, it changed my world. So what you'll learn from the location series is pretty amazing. We have 8 hours and 22 minutes of content. And even though that's a lot of content, Felix has broken it down into small lessons, no fluff. Okay, so if there is something there that you want to learn and you're about to walk into a location shoot or a lighting situation that you don't really feel comfortable doing, watch the lesson that is applicable to the shoot you're about to do. They're bite-sized, they're really informative and really easy to consume. You get lifetime access when you buy this workshop to all the content. Check out this gorgeous content. Everything you can see here, every visual graphic is an image from the video where you're going to learn this lesson. We have 10 incredible lessons attached to the location lighting series. The first one is sync and shutter speed. The second is Felix's location signature light done on location. The third is overcast flat light. That's my favorite shoot in this workshop. It's so gorgeous. Then we have hard sun. So we are overpowering the sun with strobe, and it's in a situation where the daylight is harsh and horrible, and he's made it absolutely gorgeous. Lots of backlight using strobe, matching color temperature when you are mixing strobe and natural light. You'll see from the image of the matching color temperature, it's actually a bride and groom. Yes, this is perfect if you are a wedding photographer because so much of your lighting is done on location and it's going to blow you away when you master it. Mimicking daylight, of course, my favorite. Group lighting, always difficult to do. Layered light on location is an absolutely gorgeous segment. And then there was a bonus, which was the tunnel. And basically the tunnel was about marrying Felix with Peter Lindbergh and how he shoots with negative fill and leaks light in, and Felix is doing it his way, and it's absolutely gorgeous. All of these segments are about location lighting. If you're a wedding photographer, perfect. If you like to shoot on location and you want to learn how to mix strobe and find beautiful light wherever you are, then this is for you. Don't worry if you don't live in LA and you don't have beautiful light, because the truth is the further you get away from beautiful lighting, places and states, you need more strobes anyway. So all of this content is absolutely mind-blowing. Now, I always put testimonials in because I think that they're pretty amazing to have feedback about each of the courses, but I'm not going to read through all the testimonials because I'm only going to give you great testimonials anyway, aren't I? If you go to each course page, you can scroll down and read the testimonies from students that have actually bought this workshop and are going through it so that you can get all the feedback about each of the instructors, because it's very cool what people say about what they are learning. Okay, and I think it's important to read really cool testimonials. Now, what I've learned from Felix is it's really simple. For me, I learned not to be afraid of the strobe, but I mostly learned how to shape and treat the strobe like the sun. He really did change my world because I'm probably shooting about 95% with actually a mixture of natural light and strobe now, which I think is super, super cool. The images that I'm about to show you are from Felix's location lighting class. Have a look at these gorgeous images, and you can walk through every one of the lessons. You're going to absolutely love it. I absolutely love all of these shoots, and it is absolutely mind-blowing. If you'd like more information, head over to theportraitmasters.com, go to our store to learn more about this workshop and all of the other incredible workshops, templates, and products that we have available to you.